18 Woodworking marvels. Cash in on high-value crafts with minimal materials required. These projects typically require basic woodworking tools like saws, sandpaper, and adhesives. But you could go much deeper with a multitude of tools too. They can often be made using leftover or scrap wood, reducing the need for a significant investment in materials. All of these projects can be used by combining different woods, creating designs that are both unique and stunning. Here are simple woodworking projects that don't require an extensive amount of materials, but offer high perceived value to customers. 1. Cutting boards. You can create beautiful cutting boards using different types of wood scraps glued together. Selling prices range from $30 to $75 and up, depending on size and design. These boards only require small wood scraps or offcuts. 2. Coasters. Craft coasters from small wood pieces, maybe with added designs or shapes. Start with simple designs. A basic set of coasters can sell for $20 to $40, and they only require minimal wood pieces for each coaster. 3. Wooden trays. Make small serving trays or decorative trays using minimal wood. These trays can be sold around $30 to $60, and only require a small amount of wood. 4. Bookends. Carve or shape wood into decorative bookends for shelves. Quality wood bookends are selling anywhere between $20 to $60 depending on the details involved. You may only require one small piece of wood per bookend. 5. Wall art. Create minimalist or intricate designs using small wood pieces, forming wall art. Prices for wall art vary widely, from $20 to $100 or more, and the amount of wood depends on the design and size. 6. Picture frames. Craft simple yet elegant frames for photos, art, diplomas and certificates, or inspiring quotes. Depending on the size and intricacy, they can sell for $20 to $50, using only a relatively small amount of wood. 7. Key holders. Design and construct key holders or racks for wall mounting. Simple key holders can sell for around $20 to $40, and only require a minimal amount of wood. 8. Small planters. Build miniature planters or pots for succulents or small plants. Small planters range in price from $20 to $40, and you don't need a lot of wood for each one. 9. Candle holders. Carve or shape wood into stylish candle holders. Candle holders can sell for $10 for something very basic to considerably more for holders made from exotic woods. Plus, they only require a very small amount of wood. 10. Small shelves. Shelves of all kinds can be good moneymakers for woodworkers. Starting with the basics, you could craft small decorative shelves or floating shelves. Prices may range from $20 to $60 or more, and they utilize a moderate amount of wood. 11. Business card holders. Creating elegant wooden holders for business cards is something any woodworker could do. Prices range from $20 to $50, and these require only the bare minimum amount of wood. 12. Puzzles. Design and cut out wooden puzzles, like interlocking shapes or brain teasers. Puzzles sell for about $20 to $60, and only utilize small amounts of wood. 13. Pet feeders. Constructing small elevated feeders for pets using wood scraps can be a profitable way to use those offcuts. Pet feeders are selling for $20 to $40, and need only a moderate amount of wood. 14. Tea light holders. Build decorative holders for tea light candles. You can start with a very basic product and move up to create one-of-a-kind pieces from stunning pieces of wood. For tea light holders, prices range from $20 to $60 each, and more, for larger, multi-candle units. All of these can be crafted using a single piece of wood. 15. Phone stands. Making minimalist wooden stands for phones or tablets is a great way to get started with this type of product. Phone stands sell for $20 to $40, and require only a small amount of wood. Add extra functionality and you can charge more. One woodworking firm out there has sold more than $2 million worth of these so far. 16. Coat hooks. Make simple wooden coat hooks or racks for walls or entryways. Coat hook prices can be around $20 to $50 and need only a minimal amount of wood. 17. Decorative bowls. Create small wooden bowls for decorative purposes or holding small items. These decorative bowls can sell for $15 to $75 and up, depending on the piece, and use only a small amount of wood. 18. Desk organizers. Build stylish wooden organizers for pens, notes, or office supplies. These desk organizers can range in price from $30 to $75, depending on the design, and use a moderate amount of wood. All 18 of these projects not only require minimal materials, but also allow for unlimited creativity in design. Each type of project can serve functional purposes, or be decorative in nature. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons for more money-making wood content just like this. Thank you for watching.